Today we will learn how to organize your bookmarks. Now let's start from the basic of bookmarks. If we open our browser, the bookmarks usually place here. As you can see, this item represents a link that you can click and then they will automatically go to the specific web page. Let's try to click here. They will go straight to the Let's Take It Easy homepage and we can see what's inside the homepage. If we want to add a new bookmark, all we have to do is go to the page. Let's try this one and just click Ctrl D, and this is the prompt that will open. You can choose the folder and the name here. When you're done, just click done. And because we have a lot of bookmarks here, we can not only see our new bookmark from here. How to protect your privacy in Windows 10. That's how you use bookmark. As we can see, bookmarks can be messy and it needs to be organized. Let's try to do that. Let's open a new window. And to organize our bookmarks, we need to open our manager from here. And it will show all our bookmarks. If we want to start sorting our bookmarks, first thing we need to do is to back up everything. To do that, let's go here and export bookmarks. This will allow us to create a backup copy of our bookmarks. Let's name it 1 and save it. This way, if we, for example, we delete everything, we can put the bookmarks back by importing the bookmarks. You can do it like this, and they will show up again. Now, that's how you back up your bookmarks. As you can see, we have limited space where we can put our bookmarks. So to organize them, the first thing that we can do is to reduce the space needed for the text. For example, for this one, we can change it to Gmail. And the text will become shorter and we can put more items here. Additionally, if you are familiar with the logo, like the unique Google Translate logo, you can delete the text and leave it blank, and it will only show the logo and it will still work perfectly. Now the second thing that we can do is to group them into one place. For example, if we click here, we can add new folder. Let's try Let's Take It Easy. We can put all the videos from Let's Take It Easy into one place by selecting them and drag them to the Let's Take It Easy. This way all the video will stay in one place and it will save more space. Lastly, we can also move things around. For example, like this one here, we can move it here so we can see it better. And the bookmark will drop down when you click the folder. That's how you organize your bookmarks. One last method that you can use is to basically simply delete everything or hide it from view. For example, we can just click here and delete, or if we want to hide them, we just put it in other bookmarks. We can basically use this one like a hidden place, and we put all the unnecessary bookmarks there and leave the important one in the front of the page. That's everything. Thank you very much. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you.